Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to select all photos in Google Photos. So firstly, I will show you how to do this on the phone, and then I will move to the computer. On computer it's pretty easy to do. On your phone you need to open the app, then I recommend it to click the three dots and set layout to month. Now we have one button to select all photos, so we need to select months right here. Just click on it. Near to the months, as you can see, we have this circle, so you need to just check the months, and in this way you just select it. And only this way. Okay, what about the PC? So, you need to open your browser. In the browser, you need to write Google Photos, enter into your account. So let's do this. Google Photos. Then I wanna switch to my another account. Right here, you need to click at the check mark at your first photo, and then scroll down. So let's scroll down. Now click at the shift and select the latest photo. And now, as you can see, I select all of them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.